Hello and welcome, and today I will be showing you the PierianSpring, which is a maze game, as part of my second assignment. And this was the game that I developed fully, so it has a nice menu screen here. It uses a similar menu to the Whack-A-Troll. Visually it's pretty much the same, but on the back end I neatened up the code and made it a little more efficient, so it looks a lot nicer in the code to read. So I'm going to go straight into it here. First thing I'm going to talk about is the tile map used. This tile map is read from a text file which I create, and basically I can just read in any text file that I want that's done in this format, and it will make one of these maps for us. So you'll see an example of that in the description of the tile map class. So the next thing I want to talk about is the player. The physics for the player, usually just normal WASD to move around, but because the player doesn't have to be precise, you can just slightly go around a corner, so he doesn't have to be too precise, so he can be quick to run away. Oh, I have to do a riddle. That's one of the things when you run into gnomes, you have to do a riddle. If you get it wrong, they turn into a troll, and if you give them a snail, then they will turn back into normal, unless if you don't have a snail, then the troll will kill you. So I am going to answer this, and this is river, so I'm going to run away from this. Oh, and I failed. So I'm going to go back into the game again, and I'll carry on talking to it. So yeah, the player, you don't have to be precise, so if you're quickly trying to run away from a zombie, you can quickly get around a corner because you don't have to be exact. So finally, the last thing I want to talk about is the AI with the game. So the AI, basically how they work is they will continue down a path until they get to a junction. Hide from this gnome. Yeah. Get to a junction. It's like, right, well, I've already been down this path. This is where I came from. So I can go here and I can go here. So it randomly picks a direction and will follow that. And if they meet a dead end, they'll come back. Oh, some zombies coming. Let's get away from this guy. Oh, we got another. There are more than just one, but because of the seed of the random variable, doesn't really work that well. I never really knew at the time how to change it. Now I do, but so I'm just going to carry on. And the way you win the game is to dodge everything, don't die, and there we go, and get to the fountain. So like I said, you can pick up the snails, and the snails will also be eaten by the zombies as they go past. Oh, I'll quickly win this. And you can use the snails to turn the trolls back into gnomes. So you met finally with this end screen. This would then lead on to more levels had I had time to develop them, and it has a nice little fact at the end. So that is my maze game for you, and thank you for watching, and I will see you later.